In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable aggressive ad and tracker blocking in Brave browser. If you use Brave, you already benefit from built-in privacy protections. Today, we'll tighten those settings so pages load cleaner and trackers are kept to a minimum. I'll walk you through the exact options to change, explain what each one does, and share a few tips to keep sites working smoothly. First, open Brave and head into its settings. Look toward the top right of the browser window for the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that, then choose Settings. This is where Brave keeps all its privacy and shield controls. On the left side of the settings page, click Shields. Shields is Brave's protective layer that blocks trackers, intrusive ads, and other nuisances. The options you choose here apply across all sites unless you later customize a specific site. In the main Shields panel, find the setting labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Open the drop-down and select Aggressive. Balanced is the default and works well for most people, but Aggressive goes further by blocking more third-party scripts and ad networks. This can reduce clutter and tracking even more, and it may speed up browsing. Be aware that a few sites might depend on the scripts that get blocked. If a site breaks, just remember you can relax protections for that site later using the Brave Shields icon near the address bar. Next, scroll down to Content Filtering. This section controls additional filter lists that Brave can use when blocking page elements. Expand the list so you can see all available options. Make sure Brave Twitch Ad Block Rules is enabled. This set of rules is designed to reduce interruptions on Twitch, which can be trickier than standard ads. Then enable Brave Experimental Ad Block Rules. These experimental rules give you early access to newer blocking techniques and fixes. Because they're experimental, they may change over time, but they can significantly improve results on stubborn sites. Once you've turned those on, the changes take effect right away. You don't need to restart the browser, though it's a good idea to refresh any open pages to apply the new rules. If a page stops working as expected, click the Shields icon on that page and lower protections just for that site. That way your aggressive settings remain in place everywhere else. That's it. You've set Brave to block trackers and ads more aggressively and enabled the Twitch and experimental filter lists for extra coverage. Enjoy faster, cleaner browsing with more privacy and fine-tune per site when needed.